For the first few seconds, the film is dark, but then it gets really bright. So please continue watching Pee-wee's trip to the hospital. Our dog got a hold of some chicken that our cat had, and her condition is terrible. Continue watching.
My baby. What's the matter, baby?
It's 4 in the morning now, and we noticed that she threw up on the floor. We don't see no bones, just a whole lot of chicken. The next video on out is all bright. Please watch. It's early morning now, and her condition hasn't changed.
She is very, very bloated.
It's 10 hours later, and her condition is still the same. It's time to take her to the Reno Animal Hospital to see Dr. Smith.
10 or 11 last night.
That's about the same time she ate that chicken, too.
And that
Oh, the pork chop?
pork chop you gave her.
Yeah, but she ate way more chicken and pork chop than her teeth. Remember a sample?
We're leaving now to go see Dr. Smith. We just hope and pray that Pee-wee's okay.
Okay. We're here at the doctor's office finally. Taking Peewee in. There's no difference. She's acting the same.
Oh no, they're closed on Thursdays. This is when Dr. Smith does surgery on all the other animals.